Hi everyone, Professor Bergeron here with a very windy announcement. Yeah, I have to change my clothes and record some videos for students. I'll use a tripod so the camera's not bouncing, but this wind. Some of my students know I live on a boat in Rome, but most of them don't, and I have a feeling the noise may change that this week. Pretty noisy. Anyway, just thought I'd share random work stuff. Anyway, the fruit basket was about to knock me out. Jesus. Anyway, yeah, so I do my student videos in front of the blackboard with a tripod, and I usually have noise-canceling headphones so that they can't hear the noise in the background, but I accidentally broke them. So, always an adventure.